Hi, our group's name is Hungry Hungry Hamsters, and a lot of our initial design isn't the same as what we have now because things fall apart, and that's our theme. And it's written on the side of our project
in case you
in white
know.
marker. And here's Emily to tell you about how it actually works. This is how our Rube Goldberg works. First, a marble falls through the bottle down the things. Then it goes down here onto the string fences, and it bounces off of the string fences, goes into the bathtub funnel, and then falls onto the book slide. The ball slides down the book slide, hits this little Lego hammer, which hits this thing, this flap, which hits the ball. The ball falls into these two cups, it goes down here, which falls into the funnel. Then, after it falls into the funnel, it hits the Hot Wheels track, causing this giant baseball to roll into this funnel, and when it hits the funnel knocks down the books, which hits that car, and the car hits the bottle, which pulls out the card from under the seeds, and then we can feed your hamster. Our hamster. Our hamster.
Hey guys, why don't we see how it works?
Let's do it!
Yeah! You're up, Em!
Emily!